online keeps saying you can build apps now without learning programming. So you open an AI, type what you want, and either it magically works or everything breaks. And that's usually where people quit. Because vibe coding isn't just talking to AI, it's learning how to guide it. So I went through multiple vibe coding courses to figure out which ones actually teach you how to build things and which ones just explain the idea. So let's rank them from least to most recommended. Now, super quick, vibe coding just means building software by describing behavior instead of manually writing code. The problem is, beginners don't know how specific to be, how to fix mistakes, or how to scale projects. A good course teaches that workflow. Alright, starting at number 5, vibe coding for everyone, AI programming for non-coders. This one feels more like a productivity course than a learning to build course. It teaches how to work faster with AI assistants and understand AI-assisted development, which is very useful. But if you're brand new, you'll probably feel lost trying to actually make projects. So it's helpful after you already know what you're doing, not ideal as a starting point. Number 4, vibe coding, AI-driven software development and testing. Now we get into real usefulness. This course focuses on automation, scripts, APIs, and tools that do tasks for you. You'll build practical things, but mostly utilities rather than full applications. It's great if your goal is saving time or making personal tools, and it's less focused on apps or websites. Number 3, the complete vibe coding for non-coders guide. This is where beginners usually start understanding what they were doing wrong. Instead of rushing projects, it teaches breaking ideas into steps, guiding AI corrections, and iterating safely. You won't build huge apps yet, but suddenly the AI becomes predictable instead of random. Number 2, this one is very beginner friendly but more practical. You actually build small usable tools rather than just exercises. It's good for students, creators, and small projects. You come out able to make things you personally use. It's basically where experimenting turns into building. Number 1, Vibe Coding Bootcamp. Build web apps with AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Lovable. This is the first one that feels like real development. You build full applications, structure projects properly, and deploy them, not just prototypes. Instead of learning prompts, you learn the full workflow of shipping software with AI. That's why it's number 1. So the reason people think vibe coding is random is because they start by trying to build a full app immediately. That's like learning piano by attempting a concert song on day 1. The courses basically match stages. First, you learn how to talk to the AI properly, then you build small useful tools, then you build complete apps. If you skip straight to the last step, everything breaks and you blame the AI, but really, you skipped the learning curve. Once you follow the progression, the results stop feeling lucky and start feeling repeatable. I have put all the links to the vibe coding courses I talked about in this video in the description. So if you want to purchase any of those courses, make sure to check it out. And if you tell me what you want to build, I can point you to the best starting one so you don't waste weeks just guessing.